Welcome to downtown Calgary's Stevens Avenue, a lively and artistic hub known for its vibrant activities. Today, we are taking you on a mesmerizing journey to witness the Festival of Chariots, or call it Rath Yatra, a grand celebration of traditions and devotions organized by Iskcon Calgary near the iconic Olympic Plaza in downtown Calgary. The event brings together people from various backgrounds to embrace unity and joy. Stevens Avenue is the heart of Calgary's cultural scene, always bustling with activity. Its dynamic atmosphere sets the perfect stage for Festival of Chariots, where the spirituality and artistry come together. As the festivities commences, devotees clad in traditional dress gather singing and dancing in unison, united by their faith. They come together to pull the ornate and beautifully decorated chariot, gracefully guiding it towards its destination. The procession is a sight to behold, with some devotees pulling the chariot and others surrounding it, singing and dancing with heartfelt enthusiasm. Onlookers and tourists join in the merry time, immersing themselves in the cultural extravaganza.
Hare Krishna, my name is Veena Brajarmalini Devidasi, and we are here at the 19th annual Festival of Chariots, Rath Yatra, with Iskcon Calgary.
Veena, what do you think? What is the significance of this Rath Yatra?
What we do is we take our Lord Jagannath onto the streets and we chant, and it's a good time for everybody to get blessings from Lord Jagannath, Subhadraji and Baldev.
Interestingly, the Festival of Chariots goes beyond its religious boundaries, as devotees of other faiths are also seen preaching their beliefs. This unique atmosphere of acceptance and respect for different religions fosters a sense of unity among all attendees.
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama।
ये वेजिटेरियंस को बढ़ावा मिल रहा है। लोग जानवरों को मार के खाते थे, अब यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, उनको पता चल रहा है कि ये लाइफ अच्छी नहीं है। इंसान को भगवान ने जो इतने सब्जी
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare.
To ensure the smooth running of the procession, the authorities had deployed law enforcement agencies like the police. Their presence maintains order and harmony, allowing everyone to participate in the celebrations without any disruptions. The procession finally reaches its destination at Shaw Millennium Park, where a warm and joyous welcome awaits the devotees. The park is transformed into a hub of activities with free vegetarian food and refreshing drinks being served to all.
Hi, Namaste, Hare Krishna.
So I have a question. What kind of services you provide to the visitors?
Oh, we are realtors, real estate, buying and selling properties.
So any
मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है कि शिलो प्रोपर्स का बुक्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है. हम लोग जगन्नाथ देव को बाहर लेके आए. जगन्नाथ देव को कैलगरी सभी लोग जगन्नाथ देव को देख सकते हैं, उनका ब्लेसिंग्स ले सकते हैं, प्रसाद हम ले सकते हैं, किड्स परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. तो ऑल टुगेदर इट्स लाइक अ फेस्टिव मोड विद जगन्नाथ.
Business houses and organizations have set up stalls to showcase and promote their products and services, adding an element of commerce to the event. Meanwhile, arrangements for children's entertainment such as games and face painting keep the little ones busy and happy.
What's your name?
Gavya
Why you are here?
for for Rath Yatra.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
That's good. Thank you.
On this sunny day, some devotees find solace in the shade under trees, taking a moment to rest and rejuvenate before continuing with the festivities. In addition to the exciting festivities, the organizers made sure to cater to the practical needs of the devotees. Various essential services were made available to ensure everyone's comfort and convenience throughout the event. Restrooms were set up, providing a hygienic and private space for attendees to freshen up and take a break from the vibrant celebrations. Ensuring the safety and well-being of the devotees was of utmost importance during the Festival of Chariots. To provide immediate assistance in case of any medical emergencies or minor injuries, first aid services were readily available on site. A dedicated lost and found stall was also put in place to assist anyone who might have misplaced their belongings during the festivities. This thoughtful provision helped alleviate any worries and ensured the lost items could be safely returned to their rightful owners. The Festival of Chariots in downtown Calgary exemplifies the beauty of celebrating cultural and spiritual events on foreign soil. It is a reminder of how unity, joy, and acceptance can transcend borders and bring people together as one global community. The combination of cultural celebrations, spiritual fervor, practical amenities, and medical support made the Festival of Chariots, which started from downtown Calgary's Stephen Avenue and ended at Shaw Millennium Center, was a remarkable and unforgettable experience for everyone involved. As the sun set on this day, the spirit of unity and devotion lingered in the hearts of all who were part of this extraordinary event.
इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा पावर होता है कि लव, अफेक्शन, हार्मोनी, पीस. Indian people always believe in this. It is their blood and in that Vedic knowledge. We are all children of God, and our duty is to love and to the Creator and the creation of God. And so when we are outside, we also maintain that culture, and our goal is to distribute the love of Godhead to everybody. So I
Thank you very much for being a part of this incredible journey with us. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Ultimate Images, for more inspiring content and to stay updated on future events like this. Until next time, may the spirit of joy and togetherness continue to shine bright in your lives.